Welcome everybody to our members meeting 2025, and we are turning 10 years old. How time flies. It's very appropriate that we are here tonight celebrating our 10th birthday at the birthplace of aviation in Dayton, Ohio.
We couldn't wait to come back here again this year. Anybody in the market will be here. We've had a lot of good discussions back and forth. Both of us are saying, you're exactly what we've been looking for. So we've been looking for people who need what we have. There's a lot of people who are looking for what we have.
Every supplier, every manufacturer in this industry has some secret sauce, some technology expertise, some subject matter expertise that they're very hesitant to share. What I've seen is that IACMI has done a great job of creating an environment where companies can share information, share ideas, and so that kind of collaboration and innovation allows new technologies, materials, processes to be developed that can then go to market and help solve problems.
The exciting thing when you hit a 10-year anniversary is you can kind of step back. Projects then form the basis for other projects standing on their shoulders, if you will. Over the years, the net impact grows and grows and grows. These have turned into new companies or expanded companies, and they're part of the success story. That's the largest impact of the Institute.
So looking back on the last 10 years, I think it's incredible the scope of projects that you guys were able to fund and to drive that innovation to that commercialization stage.
This time I decided to have almost speed dating, business-to-business tables. Just brings immediate value to our industry partners that, how often does a small supply chain partner have a chance to meet with Anduril or Lockheed or Northrop Grumman or Boeing or what have you. We had, I think, close to 250, industry partners coming through the Dayton Composite Center for a tour, created great awareness of what we're doing.
To get to meet and network a lot of the people and a lot of the members that are there, it was very beneficial to our company.
The members meeting is impressive. The amount of involvement and engagement from everyone, from industry, from universities, from government agencies. It's really incredible how we bring together that group of people so that we can really convene, connect, and catalyze.